Hey mama, here's a letter from your son. Well, I think my city days are done, Mom, and it ain't been 3 weeks since I came. Hey mama, I do remember what you said. Say your prayers before you go to bed, son, and remember city women ain't the same. I'm like a John Deere tractor in a half-acre field, trying to plow a furrow where the soil is made of steel. Oh, I wish I was home, Mom, where the bluegrass is growing and the sweet country girls don't complain. Mama, so much perfume I thought I'd drown. And the Lord didn't seem to be nowhere around. Hey, I fell like a flower from the vine. Oh, she was pretty, Lord knows. Thought she would bring me joy. She laughed, she called me country boy. And after she had been so kind, I'm like a John Deere tractor in a half-acre field, trying to plow a furrow where the soil is made of steel. Oh, I wish I was home, Mom, where the bluegrass is growing and the firelight shimmers and shines.